Hello. Let's continue the what we do before. Is about the with the article who has which has uh title 30 seconds to reject your portfolio. Alright. This mistake can be symptoms of serious underlying problems. This mistake and symptoms serious underlying problems. Some of the mistake may seem trivial. A pixelated image or grammatical mistake, or things not using writing hooks, crafting interest title, and filing established context is he refer for the what he wrote before in this article, how to make good portfolio, like writing the hook, crafting interest title, and establish context. Next, these are writing problems, right? They are trying to get the 30-second cut. No, at all. They can symptoms of underlying problem. Most of these fall into three categories: communication skill, linear design, and no attention detail. Okay, let's highlight this. This serious problem, especially communication, with most important soft skill for designer, most important skill for UI design, communication skill. Here the overview. Let's see the most important skill. Wait. I forgot to start the timer. This most important skill, communication, problem solving, presentation skill. Oh, that's so far. The skill you can presentation, but you have bad communication skill is is not big is big deal. Okay. Here the overview of all mistake mentioned above. These are symptoms of underlying problem. You can see that most fall under communication, which explain that serious of the symptoms that you possibly be unaware exhibit ex,
Exhibit.
exhibit ex, exhibit in your portfolio. Symptom quality issue, the lack of attention, detail care, generic boring title, commercial filing, oh yeah, filing establishment communication skill, too long custody communication skill, like as craftsmanship, like the creativity, generic fluff, communication, unclear contribution, communication, transparent their work, not involved and not as designer checklist template linear design, the lack of growth, adaptability, willingness willingness to learn, not storytelling communication skill, all the about the communication skill. An example of a case study that would make the cut, like the next section. Sample case study that would make the cut. Okay, let's take a look at case study. check how many of the mistake it makes, and why would make it 30-second cut. Published by UX Magazine in case study in 5 minutes, read by Moshi Newlander. We can already see the Moshi got one of thing like the reading time in less than 10 minutes. So the Moshi got the one like, oh, the title is How Inside from Netflix Profile Double Out Competition, which don't follow our template to the point, but doesn't need to. It captivates you and makes wonder how they use insight from Netflix double their conver- conversation. Okay, in this paragraph, um, mm, what I so the title this not follow the template the author mention or author make, because this is not need to do this is captative already interest interest you and makes you wonder how to, or maybe the this already interest for us, how to make double conversation. This article, UX Magazine, and example case study will make 30-second cut. The first sentence is not hook, but it doesn't end because the title are hook already. In the first paragraph, Masi will write, as the right hailing app, learning from unexpected source such as Netflix help us implement a new profile selection feature that has improved user experience and double business order conversion rate. Our new smart switcher has deliver understanding result, making the ride-hailing experience smoother, more reliable, and user-friendly. This established contact even if you don't know get or what they do, you get it after read this. He got me. I want to learn more. So the context is like he give the uh, analogy. He began learning on specific. You have us implement a profile selection. What he do select profile selection has improved experience. So they make the profile selection feature and double business conversion rate. Like so the our smart switcher has deliver understand research make the right hailing and smoother more reliable instrument. With context, even if you don't know get or what they do, you get it after reading this. He got me. I want to learn more. Macy elaborate on the situation he and his team found themselves in and what they want to achieve at the beginning of the case study. They describe his action this in word the case study get brilliant. Moisey first took inspiration from common and somewhat familiar tools, but the results were not good enough. He explained the challenge of initially proposed solution and why he decided to explore the other option. He found an unlikely source inspiration, mocked up a prototype, and tested. It was promising, but the introduction a new problem, so he had to come up with a solution for solution. He concluded with concrete
Concrete.
concrete result of how crucial business metrics were
Were.
were improve and a personal learning. My key takeaway is to not
Solely.
solely seek inspiration from the obvious obvious obvious
Obvious.
ob- obvious obvious source, but instead think outside the box. Even with even within your everyday products that may not be directly related to your product natural field of activity. Let benchmark Moisey case study against against our list of common mistakes.
Against.
Against, and you will see why it makes the 30-second cut. There's no quality issue. Images are large and high resolution. The title instead interesting and captivate the reader's success capturing reader attention and establish context well. It just right in length and visual text balance. There's no generic fluff. The case study feature Moisey design process, his growth, and his willingness to adapt and learn. Moisey tells a story how he found inspiration in unlikely place. The only fault with Moisey case study is that his contributions are somewhat unclear. He used we a lot, committing committing only one mistake, but doing all other things well takes Moisey to job interview where he can tell full story in detail. Like most designer can make 30-second cut. I wrote this post and used provocative title because most designers know how to do this thing well. Most of them have good communication skill but fail to translate them into the written word. And so they make this mistake. Casey Kellin confirmed that writing is a completely different beast of communication. Nearly everyone can communicate their thought in some non-written way. However, not everyone is capable translating this same thought into writing. I want to reach and teach all designers who constantly get rejected even though they are a good candidate for the job they apply for. I want to help them write case study that are better reflection of their skills so that they make 30-second cut. It's not fair that their portfolio only gets scanned and mere second. I know Jason hiring relies too heavily on portfolio, but what else can you do when there's should 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 uh should
Such a surge.
such should such sure of job application is impossible to speak thousand candidate communication the skill well web designer design well then communication well. So if you are designer reading this knowing that you don't have communication skill problem, make sure you case study reflect by a few avoiding this common mistake. If you are designer who knows they needs to improve their communication skill, use the advice to do so. Craft a story based on your research finding to influence other stakeholder. Avoid avoid writing generic fluff. Learn how to establish contact and consist. Both both in writing and spoken communication, and most importantly, stop copying other and using checklist template for your portfolio. Once you polish your portfolio, the correct this mistake and make 30-second cut is game changer. When that happens, suddenly you stop getting instantly rejected and start receive the invitation to job interview. You get your foot in the door and anything can happen from there. Most designer can make the 30 second after all, but they will commit to you polish the communication that skill better, will you? Okay, thank you. Good. This good story. So we have the 15 minutes after I read. So maybe I need to conclude the what the article mentioned about. The first one, the article have the content to make the uh, job hunter, especially for designer, web designer, for make the portfolio is better. What the parameter? The parameter is the 30-second uh, first can make our job our how you can hiring by hire manager or not. Mm, the first one is common mistake is first quality issue like the image blur and maybe grammatical, and then uh, and then about the content, yeah. And so the next is generic and boring title like the title can explain what you do, what what the result, and what the better is and some result again. So the next one is attention need to get attention with hooks, with hooks on this article give the title for you can use the author give the example like this article, and then his first paragraph, uh this another hook. I didn't make his number up. Is the interesting if you have the magic word, the first paragraph, then values establish context. You can explain what the problem for the reader, what the problem, or use the something something the something something the good, you can to explain something to the reader or hiring manager. What do you with the simple terms, so they can understand, maybe for the like the child or kids 5 5 years old can understand what you do. And then he give the framework, how to can how to make easy to explain like the star, station, task, action, and result, to explain the task you do to in the portfolio. And he give the and then the long case study, you need to aim 5 minute reads, and visual and text is text or visual 540 and 540 60. And if your portfolio is more than 10 minutes slide 10 minutes to read online, you can make two multiple case study based on overcome or key problem, ya. And then generic stuff or generic fluff, uh, hmm, generic. We still same with the article before. You don't use the term so hard, the people can understand. This sounds smart, but our but we can to understand what you doing. uh like you can, if you can write the 1,000 words about your work clearly and concise, how you communicate and listen to other, like the then is this contribute what you contribute in your portfolio as the team. Use the I instead the we. Okay, this example, uh, have some task and you have what you task. Yeah, it's a checklist template. Instead you use checklist template, you need to storytell. You have to tell us what the problem, not the only uh what the template because not all case study need the same explanation using checklist template, because storytelling is about the communication is more important. In the next section need like this storytelling and star framework is click maybe you can use the different approach. Okay, the mistake symptom is uh uh symptoms for the problem. This problem is about the more the problem is about the communication skill. Like if you have quality issue is detail and care, or like the uh yeah you don't detail the what you doing, but like this titled context, long case study, generic fluff, contribution not clear. I use the checklist template and linear and boring things. Not storytellings is about the problem is your communication skill. This is and he give us the example case study. Good. Maybe you can read after this by Moisi Nalan. He give the the portfolio about the prof inside from the Netflix profile, double or complication like this. It's clear with 5 minutes. 5 minutes to reach. I want to see JIT. Like, and then he 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 gave the review about the title is captative captative captivate
Cap- captivates.
captivate captivate captivate
Captivates.
captivate captivate the title is captivate, no boring things, and the first paragraph, he give the first paragraph clear with the one paragraph what he doing, so this author can more interest, but there is the only fault he got is always using we a lot. Okay, this is the checklist what he good doing. Okay, then the last section he give the conclude the communication skill and design skill need the combine to make the few designer top tier designer. Okay, that's all I can do. Thank you for listening. Maybe someone with random come to my channel. This is my channel for learning English, for speaking or reading. Thank you. See ya.